Today we are looking at percentage profit and loss in contextual situations. How a profit works is when the selling price is larger than the cost price. So it means that you sold it for more than you bought it. And a loss occurs when your cost price is larger than your selling price. So you bought it for more than you sold it for. We also have the corresponding percentage profit and percentage loss formulas. So we're going to go through the worked examples now. Calculate the percentage profit on an item that was bought for $30 and later sold for $38. So we know we are dealing with a profit. Now they bought it for $30 and they sold it for $38. So they made $8 profit. So if we were going to find the percentage profit, we would have $8 over the cost price, which was $30, and we would times that figure by 100 because that will give us a percentage, and the answer is 20.6 reoccurring percent. And you could round that to a whole if you decided to. Next example. Amira buys a watch for $485 and she sells it to her friend at a profit of 35%. Calculate how much she sold the watch for. So what we need to do is we need to figure out how much she profited. Now to find her profit, we know that the watch was 100%, and we need to add on that additional 35%. So we're actually going to find 135% of the cost. We need to obviously divide that by 100 because that's going to give our fraction into a decimal format. So to find how much the price of the watch is, what we do is we get the original price and we multiply it by 1.35. What that does is it finds that extra 35% profit, and it cost her $654.75. That was what she sold it for. Last question. A retailer sells a smartphone for $732, making a profit of 22%. So the profit's already been made here. Calculate the wholesale or original price of the smartphone. So the smartphone cost $732 and it was a profit of 22%. So that's how much percentage 732 was out of the 122%. So how we find the original price of the smartphone before it made the profit, we have to go through and divide that by 100 to get it to a decimal first. And we divide it by 1.22. And what that does is that takes you to the original price before the 22% was added. And it was $600. And I'm going to show you how to check that now. So if the smartphone was $600 with a 22% increase, the answer should be 732. And that's how you can check if your percentage profit has worked to take it back to an original. And that is how you calculate percentage profit and loss in contextual situations.